It makes my skin look so flawless.
Hello, I am Anaza at Anaza Effects. Welcome to my channel. This video features the beautiful minimalist redesigned complexion stick in detail.
I absolutely love this go-to foundation stick. Thank you very much, Merit, for sending me your newly formulated and newly packaged minimalist foundation stick. Minimalist foundation sticks are amazing. They provide amazing coverage as concealer or a foundation. These complexion sticks are amazing. I absolutely loved the previous formula. Double the amount of product. So 6.5 grams worth of product for the newly packaged, newly designed, and the previous formula had only 3.5 grams of product. The newly packaged minimalist complexion stick, 6.5 grams, almost double more the product and the previous one. And I love the beautiful formula. It glides super beautifully on the skin and it makes my skin look so flawless. So it's also wider, and this is also more narrow by circumference. And I love the shade. This is in the shade Camel. Look how beautiful the color is in my skin tone. I'm going to use this shade in ECRU as a concealer, although you can use them both as a concealer and a foundation. Ooh, it's a beautiful color too. And this will really go nicely as a concealer. And this is just to lift this area. Merit mascara. So gorgeous.
Merit Brush No.1.
Absolutely love this brush. It is beautiful and it feels amazing. It blends out your makeup like a dream, and this is really all you need. And I love how it's shaped. It really hugs the contours of your face. So I'm just going to blend. The brush seamlessly sweeps and blends the makeup flawlessly into your skin without effort. A tiger eye. This is a beautiful neutral color brown foundation. I'm going to use that just to contour. So, warm neutral shade. Gorgeous. Look how beautifully it glides on. And let's just do a very small minor contour. Nose contour. Just to define the jawline. Merit Brush No.1. And blend it right into my hairline and in upward strokes. And almost stipple it in. So don't brush, stipple. And from the point of the brush, and then just brush downwards. Look how seamlessly brush No.1 is melting the foundation into my skin. Then I'm going to take the shade Camel, and then I will just cut my contour. And this will just help to lift. Then I'm going to take the shade Euro. And then with the same brush, I will blend in upward stippling strokes. And Merit Brush No.1. Now look how beautifully minimalist complexion stick has lately made my complexion so flawless. I absolutely love this go-to foundation stick. Again, I'm using the color, this is Camel, and I'm using ECRU. I'm using the ECRU Minimalist, and I'm also using the deeper shade in Tiger Eye, and they have a variety of shades. And again, you can use this one foundation as a foundation and a concealer in one. And I just recommend you going one shade lighter, just in case you are producing lots of oils in your skin. Look at that. I highly suggest you use this in combination in combination with the Brush No.1, but you can use a kabuki brush for your foundation, but really this works just beautifully. Look how it's covered my under eye area. I absolutely love Merit Beauty Flush Balm, and it's so gorgeous. I love the round top, and I would just disperse onto Merit Brush No.1. Look how beautiful that is. That's a beautiful pinky, a pink cool shade, and disperse and stipple right onto this area, so the apples off your cheek, and you can smile, and disperse right in through your hairline in an upwards blending motion. And always use disperse product either onto your hand or just right onto the brush, see, and right onto the higher points of your cheek area, right into your hairline. Brush that right down the bridge of your nose. Look how gorgeous that is. And this is in the shade Cheeky. Beautiful, cool toned pink. And I'm going to use Merit Highlighting Balm in the shade Cava. It's a beautiful shade. And then I'm just going to disperse right onto the higher points. Or you can just disperse right from the packaging. Look how gorgeous this is. Zero glitter highlighting balm, and it's just so beautiful. I'm wearing Merit, a perfect black lengthening mascara, and it never clumps. It's so beautiful. Love the formula. It's beautiful, and I highly recommend it. It's gorgeous. I've already applied some, but this is the curvature of the wand, and look how it lifts and lengthens. Look how it lifts and lengthens.